Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at a 2014 Ford Escape SE. Under the hood we have a 1.6 liter i4 EcoBoost engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in a metallic black and it looks fantastic. You got the Ford logo right up front with that chrome accenting. You do have your halogen headlamps and they are very bright with your fog lights hanging out just down there. Now coming around the side we do have 17-inch rims here with our tires. Still lots of tread left on them, and those black rims look very nice on them. Now you do have heated exterior mirrors just right up here, and coming around the back here we do have our SE EcoBoost logo there, Ford logo, and the Escape logo. Now you just gotta press this button right here and you can open it up. You do have your backup camera and it is an automatic open, which is also very nice. You just gotta press the button and it'll open right up. Now lots of storage back here. You can pretty much put whatever you want to. You can also get at your spare tire there if you did need it, and there is a plug-in right over there. Plus you do have the cover here if you did want to cover up whatever you have back here, and then people won't be able to see it. To close it up, all you gotta do is press this button right here and it will close up for you. Okay, we got our keys here. We got 2 press to unlock all the doors. We do have our lock right there. We have our panic button and 2 press to open up the back. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. Now on the door here you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all there with a little bit of silver accenting on the handle. A handle right here and a nice soft spot to put your arm. You also got some storage down here with a water bottle holder. And then you do have electric seats right here, so backward and forward in the tilt, as well as your lumbar support right here. And then up here we do have the controls of our lights, so our off, our on, our daytime running lights, and our fog lights. Fog lights over here, and we have our auto over there. And we also have our in-cabin light control here. Then we also have our turning signal and our high beam hanging out there. Okay, let's start up the car. So, key in the ignition, and we are good to go. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. Now in the center there it does tell us our speed, but we can change that a bit, so we do have a bunch of different options. Just in here we got our trip A and our trip B and our information and all that. We can also go to our distance till empty, our trip odometer, our trip timer, our fuel, we have average fuel, back to our speedometer. Now we can look at all that stuff through here. Very handy to have. Now you do also have the control over all of that on your steering wheel right here. Then down here you do have your cruise control options, your horn in the center, you have your volume up and down and your skip and your mode and all that there, and then your Bluetooth options right in here. Now, right back here you do also have the controls over your windshield wipers. Now we do have our touchscreen display right here. Now we do have our phone up here if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth. You also have your radio down here for our AM, FM, Sirius XM. We have our CD, our USB. We also have Bluetooth, SD card slot, and an AV plug-in. You also have right up here your GPS if you want to access that. You can look where we are and all that, and then you also got your climate options right there, and you do have a dual climate system for you and your passenger. Then right down here we do also have our climate, so the dual climate right there. Let's get this out of the way. Oh, and when we're in reverse we do have that backup camera. Now down here we do have our dual climate system. Heat up and down for both of those. You have the power up and down here, AC off, or sorry, the defrost, you got your off, you have your AC, circulation, and where it's going to blow out of. Plus down here you do have, if your passenger airbag bag is on, your rear defrost, and then you can open up your trunk right there. We got our gear shift right there, plus you can throw it into manual mode right there. And then you do have your heated seats here, plus you do have a 12-volt plug-in, parking brake here, and some cup holders right there. You also have your armrest. You can take this guy out just like that. And then in here you do have a SD card plug-in, a 12-volt plug-in. You have a two USB, sorry. And you do also have your AV plug-ins right there. And then over here we do have our glove box with our owner's manual and lots of room inside. And then right up top here we do have the controls over our sunroof, and we do have a sunglass holder right there. There's our sunroof. It is dual pane. It is very large and lets in lots of light. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. You do have that same silver accenting. You have the control over your windows, a handle here, and a little bit of storage right down here. It is leather back here as well. Very soft, very comfortable. You do have a plug-in hanging out right in here. You can access that if you did want. And then you can also pull this guy down if you did want some armrests and cup holders. And you can also pull this guy, and it does fold your seat forward just like that, and then you do have even more room in the back to put things. And there's our 1.6 liter EcoBoosted engine. And there's our 2014 Ford Escape SE. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.